Hello friends, my name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start small scale businesses. Today I have brought for you one of the money making machines. Make sure you watch this video until the very last end. I'm going to explain to you step by step on how to use this machine. People who stay in towns, people who stay in cities, this business is very nice for you. Stick on this channel, stick on this video until the very last end, and we go into this video together. If you're new here on this channel, of course we do small scale businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly consider subscribing, turn on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us dive into this video. Yes, well, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Now, in this video, I want to explain to you what we call the shoe washing machine. This machine can make for you some good amounts of money. Remember, in towns and cities, people don't like this business of washing for their own shoes, sneakers mostly. So this machine can make for you millions of money monthly. Of course, you can buy this machine and employ someone. Remember, these machines are available, and total cost for this entire business cannot go beyond 6 million Uganda shillings. You need to buy this shoe washing machine that has different brushes, the one that scrubs, the ones that cleans inside, the ones that is so soft that can clean the outer side, maybe even clean those shoes that are somehow soft. And of course, it has some water. So this machine can clean all types of sneakers, and of course it is now a very good business because this business is not so much common in most areas. So if you acquire yourself this machine at a friendly budget maybe of 3 million, and you can buy a dryer of 2 million, and you'll find yourself you have spent almost like 6 million. So if you incur the taxes and everything, rent, you can find yourself when you have incurred something like 6 million Uganda shillings, and this business will pay off. Remember, shoes washing, every pair of sneaker to be washed is at 5,000 Uganda shillings. Yes, I mean 5,000 Uganda shillings. You might get surprised about this, but remember, someone can put on a shoe for only one day and it gets dirty, mostly during rainy season. So this business is not a business that fits in villages, that fits in small towns. No, you must be strategic if you want to start this business. You can target executive areas, also target where there are universities, because some students really don't like the struggle of washing sneakers and they want to put them on every day. So if you start this business and strategically locate it somewhere, definitely it can create for you some good amounts of money. Of course, you can hire someone to do this job for you, because if you clean like maybe 50 shoes, because capacity of this machine can clean like 50 shoes in 8 hours. So if you clean 50 shoes and each shoe is 5,000 Uganda shillings, definitely that's a good amount of money per day. If you deduct the bills of water and electricity, definitely you'll have made some good amount of money every day. This business is good for starters, and if you are unemployed and you want to be self-employed, you can buy this machine for yourself. Remember, dryers also come in different capacities, and what you can see here is a dryer, and it can help you dry the shoes. You don't even need to put them under the sun, but you can dry them using this dryer. This business suits in cities and big towns because it can be good for those people who find it so hard to clean their own shoes. Kindly feel free to like, subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question of where to acquire this machine from, or if you have any question of how this machine is used, kindly feel free to WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice time. Bye-bye.